Let's consider the next question, that is question number 28. The sum of an infinite GP with positive terms is 3 and the sum of the cubes of its terms, it is 27 by 19. So clearly the question is saying a by 1 minus r is equal to 3 while a cube divided by 1 minus r cube is 27 by 19. Now take the cube of the first equation and divide simply. So that gives you, let's write down the solution part here. We have a cube upon 1 minus r whole cube into 1 minus r cube upon a cube is equal to, first is 27 divided by 27 by 19. So simplifying, we can see 1 plus r square upon 1 minus 2r plus r square is equal to 19. This is clear. Just cross multiply and simplify to get the value of r. On simplifying, you get the value of r as 2 by 3 because r has to be less than 1. This is quadratic, you get two values but the other value is greater than 1. So correct answer is 2 by 3, that is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question of this paper, that is question number 29. The value of this integral where greatest integer x we have involved is, so let's check out this question. If you talk about this one as say fx, then find f of minus x because the limit is minus a to a. When you go with f of minus x, you can see it is coming out as sine square x divided by minus x by pi plus half, correct. So this can be further simplified as sine square x upon minus 1 minus greatest integer of x by pi plus half, right. So we can take minus sign common clearly and we can see this is equal to fx with a negative sign. So it is equal to minus fx. When this is equal to minus fx, so clearly f is odd, and when f is odd, so integral minus 2 to 2 fx dx is simply 0. So let's see from the given options. Correct answer is option number 3. I am sure this simple question is clear. The only point was you need to check whether the function is even or odd, and this function is odd. So integral is simply 0. Let's move on to the last question of this paper, that is question number 30. If one real root of the quadratic equation which is given to you here is cube of the other root. So let's start it. Let's say one root is alpha, so obviously the other root is alpha cube, right. Now you can see product of the roots, that is alpha 4 is 256 by 81, giving me alpha as 4 by 3. Next, you can also say the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus alpha cube, this is equal to minus k by 81, correct. So substitute the value of alpha here, this gives you 4 by 3 plus 64 by 27 is equal to minus k by 81. So from here you get simply the value for k as minus 300. Now let's see what we were looking for, the value of k, and that comes to be minus 300. I am sure this question is clear now. So this was the morning shift paper of 11 January 2019 of JEE Main. So this is all from my side. Thank you.